Alrighty guys, real quick, y'all remember this Jeep Grand Cherokee I diagnosed a while back? No AC, found a leak in the condenser right in the front area. Okay, I put some dye in it and I can see dye traces all over the bottom part of the condenser. Well, they approved it. Now I got my machine right here recovering the AC refrigerant. Okay, you never want to, yeah, those days are over. Don't do that. And this is 1234YF, so use an approved container. Now here's the deal, y'all know me, my parts, I much rather have Mopar no car parts, right? High quality parts. But here's the deal, guys, I'm thinking that part was a little bit expensive, so look what I get out of the mail. UPS actually delivered it. All right, now there's no name on this box, just freaking condenser. Oh no, now look, fresh out of the box. All right, see, it's got a little bend to it, it's not even straight. All right, now look down here, all of this is just bent. Now this is why, look, you can see it's bent from here. I don't know, the box said it's fragile, so be extra careful, but forget all of that. This is why I advocate, or I really want Mopar parts, not because they make better parts. In fact, Mopar don't make the part at all. I know some of y'all think I don't know that, but yeah, Mopar don't make the part. However, the vendors that they use have a certain quality standard guideline they gotta adhere to. All right, yes. It has to be quality, the specs has to matter. Look, you can see this thing just doing zigzagging. All right, all of that matters, guys. Every OEM cooler with Mopar name on it that I get and put on, just a simple install, push in, click, and you're done. This one, I don't know, I can't wait for them to send me another one, so I'm gonna try to bend this. I'm gonna make notate of this, but I'm gonna bend this, try to bend this back to right. I don't want to bend this and damage the fins inside of here. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking is this part of the yeah, okay, the transmission cooler. Yeah, the transmission cooler is also attached. You see these connections right here? That's what the transmission cooler attaches to. So the upper part of this condenser is basically the transmission cooler. But look at this piece of hunk of junk right here. Yes, I need Mopar no car. I wanted that, but they didn't want to get it. I get it. Finances are sometimes tight. Nothing much I can do about that. I wouldn't try to do nothing about it. But this is why I really want Mopar parts. The vendors, all right? Well, whoever they assign the job to, whoever the vendors are, have quality in mind, or they wouldn't have the job. All right, yeah, we don't just stick any old damn, oh my goodness. So let me deal with it, guys. As you know, the bumper got to come off, front part of the cover got to come off, a lot of the good stuff got to come off, but first I got to get it all the old Freon out. Refrigerant, I know some of y'all picky about that. Refrigerant, got to get all the old refrigerant out. I'll be done with that in a minute. So look at that thing. You can see it from here. Piece of junk. I bet this a Derman. Let me look. Is this Derman? Derman? Yeah. Anything on here orange, I'm gonna blame this on Derman. Yeah, I see some orange stuff down there. Orange traces, little traces of orange crud down there. I think this Derman, guys. Yeah, you know they not really down with quality. Look at this curve. Oh my goodness. This thing is jacked up. It's not even straight. Oh my God. All right, I had to make it do what it do. I'm not gonna film me replacing the condenser. If you want to watch that, I got a video right here on a Durango, which is the same as this Jeep Grand Cherokee. So watch that video right there if you want to see how to replace an AC condenser. Right now I gotta go. Thanks for watching.